Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you easily how to show Wi-Fi password on your Android phone. Let's get started. First, take your phone, go to settings. After that, find the connection option, tap to open it. Here you can at the very top find the Wi-Fi option, tap on it to open the Wi-Fi page. You can see all of the Wi-Fi API listed there. Find the exact Wi-Fi name. This is already connected to your phone. For example, my phone is connected this Wi-Fi, so I am show this Wi-Fi password. To check it, find the settings gear icon next to their name, tap on it to open the page. Here you can find the password section. Simply tap on the eye icon, then verify to enter your phone lock screen password and automatically show Wi-Fi password on your phone. That's it, how you can easily done. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video. Please subscribe to my channel. Take care.